respected dignitaries, honorable guests, and all my dear friends. Today, myself Suraj from Bharat Sevak Samaj College representing Supaul district, Bihar. I am honored to stand before you to discuss a transformative idea, one nation, one elections, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. This is not the first time we are discussing the one nation and one election. From the 1951-52 to 1967, we have the one nation, one election system, where we can save a lot of money and we can enhance the progress in different diaspora. Let it be the foreign country relations, or let it be the Food Corporation of India, where the corruption and many other things was going on. Not only these things, elections are the soul of the democracy. As Abraham Lincoln once said, elections belong to the people. However, in India, frequent elections happen, due to which political campaigns, policy delays, economic slowdowns keep on going. But what happened? We need to think of a beautiful idea so that our money can be saved and we can go for the development. Why should we adopt the one nation, one election? Blowing out the regions, why should we? Cost reduction. If you go for the one nation, one elections, let me take one example. Recently, 2019 Lok Sabha election, approx 60,000 crore rupees has been invested in one Lok Sabha election. If this election can be one nation and one election through, then approx 40,000 to 50,000 crore can be rupees saved from the over 5 years. Not only these things, government deploy a lot of force from a region to another region, which impacting a lot of force in the critical area. If a single election will happen, then leaders will focus on governance rather competing with the elections. Publics are fatigued with giving the votes and resulted in low participation. If once the elections happens, there will be increase in voting participation also. Not only these things, again and again elections happens, due to which unregulated flow of money happens. Unregulated flow of money promote the corruption. If one nation, one election comes, then this flow will be synchronized and the money can be saved for different developmental policy, social welfare and infrastructure. One of my friends just recently said that in Chandrayaan 3 mission only 650 crore rupees has been invested. Whereas in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, 60,000 crore rupees has been invested. Not one of these things. As everyone has its two places. Here and there. In the same way, one election and one election as other places also. What happens if the government breaks down in the midterm? What happens if the central government collapses in the midterm? What Dr. Ambedkar rightly said that. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.